Hello friends, very good evening. Myself Bala. I'm SEBI certified research analyst. I welcome you all to my YouTube channel Trail and Traders. And those who are new to my YouTube channel, kindly make subscribe the channel to get more update on intraday and positional trading strategies. And those who are already subscribed, I was thankful to you all because you only this was possible. And thanks for your support and thank you for your valuable time and everything. And this video, I'm going to share you using the single candlesticks pattern, so the hanging man. So it is looks like a hammer only, but it is where it forms and what is the trend. So that is what are different. So last video we are discussing about hammer candle. So the hammer candle, which is the single candlesticks patterns, we are going to use that hanging man, sorry, hammer to reversal and trend. Here also we are going to use the hanging man for a trend reversal candle. Okay, so this is a single candlesticks pattern. With this vacation, this 14 days corona, we are staying in the home, so I'm just taken an activity to finish out the candlesticks patterns, the most important candlesticks patterns, how we are going to follow. And we are doing lot of option trading strategies. So we have taken an advanced option trading course. Anyone who interested to join my advanced option trading course, and you can join with me. And those who are ready to open a trading account with me, you can follow this link that is provided in my description of all my videos. You can go through this link and getting open an account with me. And anyone who want to follow me on Telegram channel, you can using this link, you can follow me on Telegram. And kindly make subscribe the channel to get more update. And anyone who ready to open a trading account with me using this link, you can follow with me, open a trading account. So our broker is Zebu, so that is more than 10 years experience company. So you can also following with me, and you can join open an account, and you will be making benefit about my trading strategies. Okay, the candlesticks pattern which we are going to discuss about hanging man. So using that particular candlesticks, uh, just a moment. So last video we discussed about the hammer candle. So the same kind of pattern. So this is the hammer candle which forms in the bottom of the downtrend. So we are using this candlesticks pattern as a reversal. Now we are going to discuss the candlesticks pattern where the same kind of candlesticks, but where it forms. So that is what the important factor, the hanging man. So there is a candle called hanging man. So using the hanging man candle, how we are going to apply this trading strategy. This is a small end body. So using that particular candlesticks, we are going to find out the candlesticks line. So this is called a hanging man. So initially we are following that hanging man where forms in the hanging man candle which forms in downtrend. So previously it forms in a downtrend. We are finding out the trend reversal. All right. So we are finding out trend reversal. Okay. So we are finding out the trend reversal in the bottom. So here another candle, the same candle which we called it as the trend goes up. So when that uptrend, so we are going to find out there will be a reversal. So that's the same candlesticks pattern. So where it forms, that is important. If it, after a downtrend, if the candlesticks forms, we called it as hammer. HAMM here, hammer. And the candlesticks pattern when it forms at the top of the market or after higher level, so we call it as hanging man. Got it? Hope you understand what is the difference between the where the candle is forms. If the candle forms in a after a downtrend, so there will be a up reversal. Up reversal, that time we called it as hammer. If it is the same stock we are going to for a down reversal, that time we called it as hanging man. Down reversal. So this is the pattern. Whenever the candlesticks, the same single candlesticks, either it may be black or red, that is not important factor. So the candlesticks may be a red candle or a green candle. So both the candlesticks, what you are, the up candle or down candle, that is not a issue. And the candlesticks pattern, two types of the things. One the small wick, and another one is this candle doesn't have the wick but the longer shadow in the downside, and this candle having smaller wick and the longer shadow in the downside. So how much the shadow will be longer in the downside, there will be a more significant of the trend reversal. That is a powerful trend reversal based on the reversal based on this wick, longer wick. That we have to see the longer wick is the more powerful, and you see the wick and this hammer candle which forms in the top of the market. Hammer, it forms at the bottom. So hammer which forms in the downtrend, hammer which forms in the downtrend, and hanging man which forms in the uptrend. So we are finding out the trend reversal using this kind of candlesticks patterns. This is the one of the most powerful single candlesticks pattern which we can go for a trend reversal in the market. So using this candlesticks patterns, how we are going to find out the trend reversal in the market. So let's show you that same with the example. When the market goes up the uptrend, you see that again there will be a big up. The wick for the candle is very higher in that and looks like a inverted, this is what a inverted hammer, it's not a hanging man. You see that the same pattern where it forms here. You see that here you able to find out. I can enlarge it, so let's do that. That is a Tata Communications with the daily chart. Previously the trend is keeps going up. The previous trend of the stock is moving upwards, right? So whenever I find out that kind of candlesticks pattern, so the previous trend for the market is clear uptrend, and I find out that single candlesticks pattern where it forms the hanging man. So hanging man formed at the top of the market. When it forms this kind of candlesticks pattern which forms at the top of the market, so it find out there will be a reversal in the trend. So previous trend is uptrend, so first thing we have to confirm there is a uptrend in the market, and we find out the hanging man with the smaller upside wick. So we have two candlesticks pattern, one is no wick or another one is our smalling wick. So we already told you, so there will be a red or green candle. So both the candles, so we can here the candle which forms a red, which forms the top of the market. What we are going to do, we are going to sell previous candle the stop loss of the recent high. That is that two candles high is the your stop loss. What is the stop loss? Here the low for the trade is 421.95. Here high for the trade 458.6, 421.22 and 458.6. That is what your entry level. 422 is your bottom level where you are going to sell. Stop loss for the trade is 458.6 or 457. We have maintained a stop loss 457 as a stop loss. I am going to take around 22 35 point as my risk for the trade, but even I was find out there will be a reversal for a downtrend in a higher level. So where I got my trade got executed here, this particular point my trade got executed, from there market fell down maximum lower level. So we have to find out very easiest way where there will be a trend reversal. So there will be a difference between hanging man and hammer, the difference where that candle is formed. Okay, so the candle forms in a higher trend, so there will be a, if the candle forms at a higher in trend, so that is called for example, if you take a black color, so the candle which forms at bottom of the market, so this is called bottom of the market, so we are called it as, that is thing which we known, that is hammer. So hammer candle for a bullish reversal. Hammer we are waiting for a bullish reversal because market was bottom at the time. Hanging man it for a bearish reversal when the market was top of the market. So these are the difference between these two particular candlesticks pattern. Both looks like same, but where it forms, when the candlesticks which forms at a lower level, or when the candlesticks forms at a higher level. The candlesticks color is not a matter, so the wick of the candle is more significant. Whenever it forms this kind of patterns, there will be a higher probability of trend reversal. Using this candlesticks pattern, you can follow the trade strategies, will give you most benefit. And I'm just checking only one stock. So because already we are checking the same stock for the bullish reversal also, and based on these patterns we can easily find out lot of benefit about your daily trend. And swing trades may use for this best trading strategy for a swing trade. And you see that lupin looks like a not a this is not a kind of thing. And anywhere it forms here. Here you see that there will be a candlestick which forms, but this is not a hanging hammer or hammer, but this is inverted hammer. So we are going to see on our next videos. But here you see that there will be a hammer candle clearly forms at the lower level, and previously trend was up, so I ignore this as a hanging man. So I was rejected these things because of this is not a right way. So and any stocks which forms in a charting website, you can go for a charting, and lot of screener and scanner is there, and go search for the hanging man. I'll go for a search in hanging man. Hanging man. So this is another candlesticks pattern. So hanging man, lot of code is there, so you can go and easily check with the stocks which forms that kind of hanging man pattern. So in a quicker minute you can scan it out. There will be no stock which forms the hanging man. So let's check any other reverse buy like hanging man, 100% mostly at the top. So the another indicator who coded by anyone, someone. So I don't know about that thing, but we will check it. Any stocks if it is filtered, so we will hand bullish hanging man. So a lot of thing is that. So hanging man, hammer and hanging man candlesticks. So there will be another coding which is we can see that hanging and hanging hammer and hanging man. So let's check if any possibilities. We'll try to do that. Yes, lot of stocks we got it, and we'll go for a future to filter out some stocks. And Sun TV and National Aluminium, two stocks which we filtered recently. It forms like a hammer or hanging man, right? So let's show you on Sun TV what happened about Sun TV. Sorry, Sun TV network. You see that there will be a pattern which is called exactly hammer pattern, which forms in the top of the market. Compared to this bottom reversal, this is what right now top. When market without breaking this high, if it is going down this level, means there will be another possibility. So current high of this market is 330 or 342. If the market is breaches above 340, this is not a valid hanging man. Okay, but whenever market broke below this level, we have to maintain this as a stop loss, and we will go for that. And another stock which is forms like a National Aluminium. So let's check about National Aluminium. This is the scanner and screener which we can use, and it looks like these things only, but it is not it forms at a higher level, so it is not a valid one. So this candlesticks pattern scanner which scans you the candlesticks what it forms, and where the candlesticks forms, and when the candlesticks forms, that is very important. So once you've understood that kind of things, this is what important. When it forms at the bottom level, when it forms at the top level, there should be a perfect reversal in that trend. And that's about this video, and hope you understand, and this is maybe a useful video to you all. And thanks for being with me. And those who are not yet subscribed my channel, kindly make subscribe the channel to get more update on my intraday and positional trading strategies. Thank you for watching this video, and thank you very much, and thanks for being with me. And let's check another stocks. Any formation, and you can use the same by intraday or positional, whatever the time frame. You see that there will be a hanging man which forms at higher level, and this was not breaking this high, so still it valid, and it breaks below this low and 300 level with the stop loss of 360, and we find out there will be big benefit about the stock, the Indiabulls Housing Finance share. And right now Indiabulls Housing Finance is not moving big. it was trading like a range bound stocks now. And the same thing you can use for higher time frames like hourly, daily, weekly. So what are the time frames you want, you can use, and most probably the low breaking stocks, day low stocks, you can find out this kind of opportunities, and there will be a big benefit. So for example, and I was trading yesterday Sun TV and Sun Pharma, so and Glenmark Cipla. So these are the stocks which I was traded to yesterday. So let's check on Sun TV, which breaks after I'm booking by profit. So it went very quick up, and again it started moving. Just a moment, we'll check that. In 5, this is 16 minutes time frame. Let's show on a 5 minutes or intraday time frame. So if there are any other patterns which forms, so there will be a reversal in the trend. Initially you see that there will be a top of the market which forms the hanging man like in 5 minutes candle. So 5 minutes candle, those are a full-time trader, you can follow that, and those are full-time market, so you can follow this strategy. And here it forms the low is around 330 with the stop loss of 336, and it fall down to 317. Okay, thanks for watching this video, and thank you very much about this video. Thanks for your time, and have some other calls is coming now, so we'll see on our next video. Thank you for this thing, and kindly subscribe my channel to get more update. Thank you.